play na play. Larong-laro. Yes. Yun talaga. And no, kung titignan natin, this this pick the carry from Benny Cutie because this is a double marksman meta. I'd say sobrang fragile nung pagkakagamit ng lineup na to. Mostly because of the fact na there's Natsus Yuzhong na we haven't seen for quite a while. There's also Lights Chu na definitely the goal is to invade the back line of Team Liquid Philippines. But still, yung composure ba ng side ng Team Liquid na alam nila when to be able to attack their opponents because of the fact then siguro na naka-purify itong si Benny Cutie. He was so confident in damaging the frontliners of RSG Philippines to the point na kahit sino, and we all know that Carrie is a tank shredder, kahit sino kayang-kaya niyang bigyan at every single point in time. But still, gusto ko lang din naman bigyan ng props both JP and Sanford for their performance.
Absolutely.
Hindi ko alam kung kayo lang, pero kasi kapag nag-rank game ako, minsan may opportunity sa akin